Hi guys, we're back. Mr. N here, high school proficiency exam, problem number 2. We're dealing with the quadratic functions graph. That should be obvious for you. But the question is referring to domain of the given function. And every one of you should remember that when you're talking about the domain is represented by all the inputs, right? So if your function is like this box, alright, in which you're putting some values outside, you will have other values that will be given by whatever happens to your inputs into your box. But whatever inputs you have, in this case, x will go inside. Those x's will make your domain, alright? And whatever comes outside as a y, that would be your range. And in this case, I'm looking for domain. So what is the set of all my x's? And you're looking at, your x-axis, and you're looking at the graph of your function. And think about it, if you take a point here, that point's x is going to be -1, and that -1 will be part of your domain. If I'm choosing a different point, let's say here, that point's axis will be 4 point something, and that will be part of my domain. So let's look at the options. What is the domain? And the A option says x equals 1 or x equals 4. Now, if you think of the examples I just gave you, and they were different than 1 and 4. And obviously, if I can take a different point here, that will also be different and will also be part of, my domain, because that point will have an x. A cannot be the right answer. I mean, A is actually giving you only 2 possibilities. Let's see B. Or actually, let's skip B, let's go to C and D. C says y greater than or equal to -1. Y is the output. Y is the range. The question is asking me to talk about the domain, which means C and D are not good, because I need the inputs, I need the x's, all the possible x's. And B says x can be any real number. Well, looking at your graph here, this graph extends forever in both directions. Will go forever to the positive infinity, will go forever to the negative infinity. And there is no restriction whatsoever. You can put in this function whatever x you want, and that's why correct answer for this problem will be B. Your x could be any number, any real number, any number placed on your x-axis. And that's how you solve this type of problem. Okay? I will see you